Jason walks to work. The distance to work is 3.6 kilometres, correct to the nearest 0.1 of a kilometre. He walks at the speed of 6 kilometres per hour, correct to the nearest kilometre per hour. Calculate the upper bound in minutes for the time Jason walks to work. Okay, we know that speed is distance divided by time, which means that time is distance divided by speed. So time is distance divided by speed. Right, we're going to do a division. So we want this number here to be, for the upper bound, we want this number to be the highest value possible, and this one to be the smallest number possible. So we want the upper bound for distance divided by the lower bound for time. That will give us the greatest time. So that will be 3.65, because this is between 3.55, that's the lower bound, and the upper bound is 3.65. And the lower bound for time will be 5.5, because this is the lower bound is 5.5 and the upper bound here is 6.5. If we work that division out, this is in kilometres, this is in kilometres per hour. So the time we will get, if you do it on your calculator, you'll get a fraction which is 73 over 110 hours. So use the fraction button on your calculator. Now time in minutes, so this is in hours, we need to multiply that number by 60, and therefore we'll get 39.818 minutes. If we round that off to reasonable figures, that will be 39.8 minutes. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to do a division and to find the upper bound of the calculation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.